Our busbar punching and shearing machine equipment can be customized according to the different widths and thicknesses of the copper row. Different precision molds. The style of the required processing of copper rows for private custom molds. CNC busbar processing machine for different copper row shape for different processing. Schneider and other T-cabinet fish-shaped copper row processing molds customized. After the CNC system for accurate XY axis positioning, to achieve a different shape of the copper rows, to meet the needs of customers.